In the next 3 days, I will do something that will blow your mind. This is not a bad event, but it will be what will shift your mindset when it comes to doing agriculture as a business. So this series I'm running for the next 3 days is for three categories of people. The first category are people who are already into farming. You have started your small farm, you have been making small money, and you want to expand, you want to increase your production capacity. You need to pay attention to what I'm about to share with you in the next 3 days. The next category of people are those who want to start their farm. So you have saved money, 1 million, 10 million, 20 million, and you want to start your farm. You will need to also pay attention because I will guide you and show you how to identify the best area and how to partition your money well in agriculture that you can make profit. The next category of people are those who are looking for, oh, I want to invest into farming. I have a small farmer or one of my cousin or one guy somewhere. I want to invest money in his farm. This series will show you whether the farm is investable or not, and it will show you how to go about that with the money that you have. Now, why am I qualified to teach you this? Because I have been into agriculture for 12 years plus. Why do I say 12 years plus? I was born into a farming community. My parents are farmers, and I started farming as a business in 2016. So when you check, you can see that someone who has done any trade for more than 10 years, every day, back to back, should have fair knowledge enough to guide you who have never done the business. So I'm qualified to teach you. And the next reason why I am qualified to teach you is because I've made a lot of mistakes in agriculture when it comes to funding. I've raised a lot of money. I built my farm to a point where 20 million, 30 million per month was leased for us. And guess what? I've lost that farm. As I speak with you now, I don't have a single farm. Why? Because of one money mistake I made. And that money mistake landed me in prison. That money mistake landed me in EFCC net. That money mistake made people to drag me on social media, called me a fraudster, a scammer. That money mistake have frozen my bank account till today as I make this video. And I don't want anybody to experience that. I know you don't want to go to prison as a business owner. If you have not been there, my advice for you will be that don't go there. And I will not just advise you don't go there. That advice is incomplete. I need to show you some of the things you need to do that will not take you to that kind of environment that I was in. This is especially for some of us who are smallholder farmers. You're just starting out in agriculture, and people are seeing that, oh, this guy is doing well, and they're approaching you. We want to give you 1 million, 10 million, 20 million. That money is good. But you yourself, you need to check if you're qualified to receive 20 million. And you, who is an investor, you also need to check, is this farm capable to handle 20 million? There are indices to check. And these are the things I'm going to share with you. Starting from today, which is the 11th of February 2026, by 8 p.m. Nigerian time, I'll be coming live on this YouTube channel to share with you, teach you from my own mistake so you make wise investment decision. So if you're watching this video, maybe after 11, maybe you're watching on the 12th or the 14th, or even next year, all you have to do is just click this channel, check on live video. You will see that the series must have started. We are starting on the 11th, 8 p.m. Nigerian time. We'll start the series. I'll break it down for you, the mistakes I've made, how I made money, how you can learn from my mistake so you don't land yourself in prison, so you don't carry the tag a fraudster. I know many people who have done this, they are stranded today as I speak. And this will help you, not just agriculture. So I will advise you to subscribe to this channel if you have not, and watch all the videos that I'll be sharing with you in the next 3 days. So thank you so much for watching. This is an introductory video, or let me say an invitation for you to stay with me on this journey so you will learn. My name is Dennison. You can call me Billionaire Farmer.